Moroccan Argan Oil Hair Repair System.
So this is like this is like a complete set from Pro Naturals.
Pro Naturals.
Pro Naturals.
Pro Naturals.
Pro Naturals.
So it comes with the shampoo,
The conditioner.
This is the deep mask.
And then the Moroccan Argan Oil Hair Repair Treatment.
So when you first get your system, this is what it looks like.
Beautifully packed.
This beautiful box.
Now with the box it came with a little card like this, and it says to verify the authenticity. I can't speak today, sorry.
An entire cycle of the system is 6 weeks long, so you're supposed to use it once a week for 6 weeks.
To help damaged hair.
Repairing your hair, putting moisture back to it.
And all of these products are 100% Moroccan Argan Oil.
So the first two steps of the hair repair system is the shampoo and the conditioner.
they work really well. They smell, holy cow, they smell delicious. They smell so good.
The fragrance is very light.
It does. It really smells good.
It is such a beautiful floral perfume fragrance.
The hair repair shampoo is designed to add volume to your hair.
The only shampoo that I had such experience with. A lot of suds, extremely light shampoo, perfect. It's just, I don't know what else to say.
What I love about the shampoo is, one, you don't need a ton to sort of get it working, and it has a milky consistency, so it's very, very nourishing.
It has a lotiony consistency.
A thick shampoo, as you can see.
To the next step, this is the conditioner.
And then the conditioner is just supposed to help moisturize your hair, add shine.
Works like a regular conditioner, but again, very, very silky, very, very smooth. You're supposed to leave this in for 1 to 2 minutes.
It feels like a silky.
It smells really good.
Now the conditioner has more scent to it than just fresh.
Once you're done shampooing and conditioning your hair, the third step to your brand new hair is going to be using the hair mask.
It works amazing.
Now the hair mask, oh, I love the smell of these products.
It smells amazing.
It smells really, really good as well.
It's not overly floral, not overly fruity. It doesn't smell like chemicals. It just sort of smells fresh.
The mask has the strongest perfume scent of all the products in the kit, in my opinion.
The hair mask, it is really thick, as you can see.
Yellowish. Just apply the mask right on top.
It feels kind of like goopy, slimy, really cool.
Like cotton blossoms and sunshine. I don't know, it just smells really, really good.
You want to apply this after you use the conditioner while you're still in the shower.
Moisturizing mask. This is something I'll do once a week, most likely on a Sunday night. I love this one from Pro Naturals. I just apply this mainly concentrating on the ends of my hair.
Using it, it was absolutely amazing. As soon as you wash it out, you feel the difference. Like literally as soon as you wash it out, first try, it's absolutely amazing.
10 out of 10. Perfect.
Seriously, this is worth the whole thing.
And then the last step to your hair repair system is the actual oil hair repair treatment.
This stuff is awesome.
It comes with a big bottle like this, and you only need seriously like a drop. For my long hair, I use like 2 drops.
It repairs, softens and strengthens dry, brittle, frizzy hair.
Protects against UV damage and other environmental factors.
This is the oil. This is the argan oil that I was bragging about when my hair was straight. Gives a natural shine. It did.
And this comes with a little
Good because it makes it really easy to just squeeze onto your hands and then apply into your hair. The consistency of it is very serum-like.
Once my hair is washed and clean, I just apply some Moroccan oil. This is just something I do as a treatment, mostly concentrating it on the ends of my hair.
So you want to work at the part where your hair is the most damaged, which is most probably the end.
And then I just go along my hair. Just go down and then I go up, scrunching my hair up, okay? And then the hair just sucks it in.
I did enjoy using it. I really did.
I would try this kit. It is a lifesaver.
I'm giving this baby here 2 thumbs up.
Now that you know how to use your new hair repair system, it's time to put all of these steps to use and enjoy a beautiful, shiny, frizz-free hair.
I gotta tell you, this is probably the best hair care system I have probably ever used in my entire life.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.